Hi there. This is a demonstration to show the user recertification within AIM. To set up the recertification, you can go to the settings and user recertification. Here you can enable or disable the user recertification. In the second setting, you can specify the approval days, so how often the user has to recertify. And then on our third option, this specifies how often users are checked for the recertification date within AIM. Once a user has gone past their recertification date, provided your SMTP settings are fulfilled in AIM, an email will be sent to both the manager and the user. So the operator that is the manager of the user and the user themselves will both receive an email. Here you can see the email that the operator has received from AIM, specifying users have been made inactive and require approval. You can approve them directly using this link. This link brings you specifically to the Approvals tab in AIM. And we can see that user Tom Slattery has an approval type recertification period expired. So the operator can choose to approve or reject this. So if it's approved by the operator, the user will now have another, in this case from our settings, 180 days before they need to be recertified again. On the user side, they receive a notification also. The first one specifies your access has automatically been made inactive and your access manager has been notified. The second notification came in once the manager approved their recertification. Your manager has reviewed your request and you can visit your self-service portal here. So the user can visit their self-service portal here. In AIM, we also use reports with Grafana dashboards. Power BI can also be used. Here we're monitoring the amount of users that first of all require recertification now. You can see that this is 0 on our system as we have just recertified a user. We can also see the users that require recertification in the next 30 days out of these 23 users on the system. And thirdly, we can show users that recertification has been approved for in the last 30 days here.